Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a try on haul for you guys from SHEIN. Yeah, I purchased some items from the website, so I will be doing a try on haul for you guys. So if you would like to see what items I got, just keep watching. I will start with this outfit. Okay, these two I got them from SHEIN from the website. This one's printed snake print, and I'm really into snake print right now. Snake print and leopard. I've always been into leopard print. I've always loved leopard print, but snake print's been really in, and I'm all about it. Really like it. So I like this top. It's really soft. Color looked a little bit different on the website, but I'm not mad at it. It's still a really pretty color. And these shorts. Now with the shorts, I was really skeptical about getting like shorts because they only have them like on small, medium, or large. So I was a little confused, but I mean, just to play it on safe side, I did get a medium, and I think it was perfect, especially because I read the reviews. So read the reviews. It's really good if you read the reviews. Like, I can't stress enough how the reviews help me. They help me a lot. So but that these really don't stretch that much, and they don't stretch. So I'm really happy I'm with the medium and not a small because they don't stretch. And also I really like the length of these. They're actually longer. See, they're actually longer, but I don't like them like that. They're a little too long. So you could also fold them, which is how I had them. You fold them, and to me this is a good length. I don't like them super short, simply because I'm not into like the super short, like showing all your booty shorts. No, that's not me. I don't like those type of shorts. But this is a good length for me. I really like these, and I like that they're distressed too, just a tad bit. So I don't know, I really like the material. I like it that they're not tight, so there's enough room, and these are like real pockets. So it has real pockets. So yeah, I'm actually surprised and pretty happy with the shorts. And I will be showing another top that I'm gonna put on with these shorts. Now with some of the other stuff that I have, not everything is from SHEIN, because I decided to pair the stuff that I got with something that way you will see, kind of have an idea of how I would style it. But I will be telling you what's from SHEIN and what's not. So yeah, but I will be trying another top with these shorts just because I really love the top. So yeah, be back. Okay, well, this is the other top, actually, the other top, and I cannot tell you guys how in love I am with this top. I'm not a huge fan. Well, I thought I wasn't a huge fan of the tie-dye print, but it's just the colors in this top. The colors just like has like a pretty turquoise, black, and purple. And purple is one of my favorite colors. I really love purple. And these colors just, I don't know, just there was something about it that I really loved. And actually, I like the crop size of it. With high-waisted shorts or high-waisted pants. Pretty nice, and it's comfortable. It's really comfortable. It's soft material. This one's a small also. This one's a small. And yeah, I cannot tell you guys enough about this stuff. Oh, about the snake print one. This one, I did forget to untuck it, like take it out, and this is actually the length of it. So I had it tucked in. But yeah, the length of it is like, it's up to like right here. So yeah, so you could wear it either out or tucked in, but I had it tucked in obviously, so just thought I mentioned that because I forgot. So yeah, but this top, you can see it's a v-neck, and it's pretty cute. I don't know, I just like it. I mean, you do show a bit of skin, but I don't mind showing a little bit of skin. Just when it's too much, it's too much. But this is good for me. But I really like this. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. And I've been all about these like crop t-shirts. I think they're nice, you know. So yeah. So this is the next the outfit, but actually the top is from there. And a lot of these tops I did get they're like basics, because I really like basics that go with anything. So this time I got this, it's like a khaki one, just a khaki, like a tank top, except it's cropped, so it's pretty cropped. It's just like pretty cropped, so it's up to here, up to the height of the pants. So yeah, but this is basically how I would style it, with something like this. Like, these pants are really comfortable. I don't remember where these pants are from, if not I would tell you, but I really don't remember where I got them from. I've had them for a while, but I really like how the khaki top brings out the khaki from the pants, because it's khaki. It looks like white, but it's khaki. So yeah, it's just a pretty simple to V-neck, sort of a V-neck. Yeah, and it's in the small. It's pretty stretchy, so yeah, it's a good thing that it's stretchy, because I think it would have come with medium, but since, like I said, I read the reviews, read that they're pretty stretchy, so I just went with this one. But yeah, so this is another top that I got from them. This is, like I said, this is a print. It's because I really like print. So this one's a leopard print, and I like it's really thin and breezy, and it's in a small. So this one I thought it would just be perfect for like maybe work. So yeah, because it's not a, you know, it's obviously not a crop top. It's not gonna show your belly or anything. But honestly, how I would wear it, I think it would be more like this, tucking it in. I think it looks nice, tucked in. And I'm just wearing it with some jeans, but you could obviously wear it with anything like shorts, skirt. Even like, I think this one looks so cute, like with the leather skirt and you tuck it in. I think that would look so cute. But yeah. See, this actually, I think this is how I would wear it, instead of the other way. But I just wanted to show you the length, because I forgot to show you the length on the snake print one, so I didn't want to forget, so I started off with that so you can see it. But this is how I would style it. Maybe put a belt, I don't know, but yeah, things like this, it will look pretty. It's cute, I like it, it's simple. So yeah, okay, here's the outfit. Just wearing with the same pants, but this is the top. This one's really breezy too. It's like the leopard one, it's the same material. I don't know what the material is called, and I will tell you, but I really like that this one's like a V-neck in the back. Well, it's kind of like a V-neck in the back also, and in the front, and it's really comfortable, like for like the heat right here right now that is like in the hundreds and stuff. It's really good. But this is well, this is the length of it, and it's kind of like round. I would say round from the bottom and the back. It's kind of round, but I would like, I think I would wear it like this, tucked in like this. I'm sorry if I keep looking down, I'm looking at the mirror. So yeah, but I would wear it like this, maybe half tucked, or tucked in all the way too. It would look, which I already wore this top actually. I already wore it, so. So if you tuck it in also, I think it will look really nice. Tucked in all the way, or like with the leather skirt. Imagine, oh my goodness, so many ways you can wear basics, and that's why I love basics, especially just stuff in like basic colors, like just colors. And honestly, I got this red one, and I got another red tank top just because I like red tops, but I really didn't have any in my closet. From all the colors I have, I did not have anything red, so I have two tops. But anyways, yeah, this one's pretty nice. And actually, what I love about this one is that it's so comfortable that I actually want to get some more, because they have them in different colors. They have them in khakis and blues and yellows and like in all the colors. They also have some in prints, like really pretty like flower prints and stuff. So yeah, I might order a few more because I really like it. It's a really, and I already wore it, so it's really comfortable. So yeah. By the way, I will be listing everything in the description box, and I will be putting, that way you could see like the prices and everything. But honestly, everything was really pretty affordable. Really affordable, and honestly, it surprised me how great the quality is. To me, it seems really good. So yeah. So this is the last. Oh, I want to say it's the last top because the other one is exactly the same, but it's red. So I'll show you that one right now. But see, this is the length of this one. It's cropped, but it's not super cropped. I still think the khaki one is a lot more cropped than this one. But what I like about this one is that it's not a V-neck. It's like square. Really don't have a lot of tops like that, so I think this is really nice. But it's also small. This is actually how I wear it. This is what I wanted. So tucked in, obviously, into the skirt, or just how it is. But yeah, I really like it. I really like it with the skirt. Like, it's really cute. I like it, and it's really stretchy. It's a small. I think all the tops I got are small. Like I said, I will be linking down everything in the description box. You can check the sizes, and you can check the prices also. So yeah, this was really cute. I really like it. This is how it looks from the back. It's square also. So yeah, this is actually how I like it. Actually, like this. It's cute. Anyways, but this is the red top. It's exactly the same. Exactly the same, it's just red, like I said, because we're not having red tops, so I really wanted to get a few of them. And I will be showing you 2 nightgowns that I purchased just because they're super cute, but I will not try them on. But I will show them to you because they're super cute, and I've already worn them, so they're really nice. And they're like, it's like a silky material, but this one's, I mean, if you know me, you know like I am in love with burgundy. Burgundy is one of my favorite colors. Actually, it's one of my more favorite colors, like for fall and winter. It's like a really beautiful color. So this is like a burgundy nightgown, and the thing is, this is see-through. So one of the reasons why I'm not trying it on. So this is see-through. It's completely see-through. It doesn't have any padding or anything. So yeah, but it's really cute. It crosses on the back. So it crosses at the back. And yeah, I think I got them both. They're both on the small. So yeah, this one's a little bit more fitted than the other one I'm gonna show you, but I still love it. It's a really nice nightgown, and it's soft. I like it. And this other one, it's a blue one. Oh, and this color is just beautiful. I love this color. It shows up on camera really good, but look at how beautiful the color is. I love how, I don't know, it's just probably the material that is really shiny, but I really like it. So it's cute, and also it crosses at the back. And also with this one, it's also see-through on the bust area, so there's no padding on there, but it's super cute, and I really like how they look. So yeah, that's those 2. And something else that I wanted to show you is I got 2, because I saw these on their website. I got 2 masks. The masks are actually pretty nice. I got 2 masks. Got one for the hubby. This one, it's a camel print. It's really nice, and they're adjustable, so I thought that was pretty cool. They're adjustable, and this one is a leopard print one. I already worn this one. I even washed it, so it holds up pretty nice. I already washed it. And what I like about this is that they really do cover here, but they're also they're not super thick. so they're kind of thin, and I really like that. And yeah, it also has a adjustable strap on this one. And yeah, these were, I think that these were like two something. I'm not sure how much, but I'll put it in the description box for you. And yeah, this is everything that I got. And I did want to mention that I did return one item just because I wasn't sure if I waited longer if I was gonna be able to return it, so I just returned it. But it was actually a jean jacket. It was a white jean jacket, distressed, but I think it was oversized, and I'm not about that oversized look in jean jackets. I really don't. I like them a little bit more fitted and structured. I just been on a hunt for like a white distressed jean jacket. But I'm actually happy because I did find one somewhere, not from SHEIN, but I did find one. That will be in another video, so stay tuned for that. I did find the jacket that I wanted, a white one, distressed and fitted. Only the one from SHEIN, I returned it because it's a good jacket. The quality is good. I liked it. Don't get me wrong, I liked it. The thing is that it was for an oversized look, and I'm just not about that style. I don't really like it on me, so that's why I returned it. But other than that, everything I was like, God, I really did like it. I really liked it. So, and well, that is it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions of any of the clothing pieces I mentioned. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.